Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Honda CRV, stock reference number 4602. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2010 through to the 10th month 2012. There's a K24Z1 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. K24Z1 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the left-hand side. We have the right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror, indicator tyre. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. Left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate, tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right guard has one small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. With the centre console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.